Welcome. If you want to make more friends on Discord and allow anyone to send you a friend request, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to let everyone send you friend requests on Discord, whether you're new to the app or just want to connect with more people. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on it to open up a new set of options related to your account's social features. Inside the Content and Social section, you'll see a heading for friend requests. Here's where you control who can send you friend requests. By default, Discord might only allow friends of friends or people who share a server with you to send requests. But if you want to open up your friend requests to everyone, look for the option labeled Everyone. You'll see a checkbox next to Everyone. Simply tap on that checkbox to select it. Once it's checked, you've enabled friend requests from anyone on Discord, no matter if you share a server or have mutual friends. And that's it. You've just updated your settings to allow friend requests from everyone. Now, anyone who finds your username can send you a friend request and connect with you. Remember, you can always come back and change this setting if you ever want more privacy. It's a great way to meet new people, but make sure you're comfortable with who can contact you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. See you next time.